Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Canva Brand Kit beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Canva Brand Kit, first, navigate to the Canva website. Log in to your Canva account. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. Once you're logged in, locate the Brand Kit option on the left sidebar. Click on Brand Kit to open the section. Here, you'll find options to add your brand elements. Start by uploading your logo. Select the Upload button and choose your logo file. Once uploaded, you can adjust its size and position as needed. Next, choose your brand colors. Click on the Color Palette option and select Add a Color. Input your hex color codes or select your desired colors. You can add up to 3 primary colors for your brand. Then, move on to the Typography section. Select your brand fonts from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred heading, subheading, and body text fonts. Canva offers a variety of font options for customization. After adding your brand elements, review everything to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click Save Changes to finalize your brand kit setup. Your brand kit is now ready for use in your designs. You can always revisit this section to make updates or adjustments. Utilize your brand kit to maintain consistency across all your Canva projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.